Hey everybody, Sherwood back in action with you here today. We're going to be talking about the PJ LD 35 foot. So the PJs we have in stock here in the 35, they're going to have 10-ply tires, they're going to have electric or hydraulic disc brakes, they're going to have hutch suspension with your max ramp setup. We're going to stock them here with the LED floodlight, and we're going to have a winch plate on it. You're going to have two-speed Joe's jacks. If you ever crank the gooseneck with some weight on there, you know the two-speed jacks are a good thing to have. And right now these LDs actually have a $400 rebate until the end of May. So any PJ LD that we have here on this lot, $400 rebate until the end of May. So if it's something you're interested in, we have it in the gray right now. We got a bunch of different sizes of PJ LDs. They are really well-priced units. These PJ LDs have been selling great for us because they got almost all the features you need and they're priced really well. So if this is something you're interested in, you know, definitely don't hold around till the end of May. Give Tom and I a call, get out here and come check out these PJ LDs.